Hi, Creative Learning Key. Back here again with our McDonald's box that we built out of a little tikes cardboard box. And the kids loved it so much we decided to step it up and get real. So I just had one of my wonderful parents donate to our school this little tikes shop and learn. So I just pulled the pieces out of the box. This kind of just flipped up into place there. Looks like there's a piece of cardboard here, but nothing in it. And we have our bag of kiddos. I understand there's a chip on each one so that when it goes across the conveyor belt here, the kids will be able to scan it. It will tell the name of each item, and then it will drop into a bag here. So we have this part that I pulled out of this plastic, and this is going to go here, 4 prongs there. Just gonna place it in here and snap into place like so. I understand this is going to have a light that comes on. There's Bluetooth here, a compartment here for batteries. We'll have to open that, put the batteries in. That will cause a